Welcome back to another learning video. In today's video, we are going to learn about a very important topic, and the topic is about quadrilaterals. So, in mathematics, we have different types of quadrilaterals, and one should know about them. They are very basic and very important also on the same note. So, in today's video, I will be showing you different kinds of quadrilaterals. What are they? What are their properties? So, let's start with uh, first, what is a quadrilateral? So chord, I will just divide this big word into two parts so it will become easier for you to understand. Chord means four and laterals means you can say lines or you can say sides. Okay, so any shape which having four sides, that is known as a quadrilateral, and we have different types of quadrilaterals with us. So quadrilaterals are four side closed shaped. Okay, closed is more important. It's a four side closed shape. And let's see now different types of what are the different types we have with us. So first one, we have a square. One by one we'll be seeing its properties also. So we have with us a square, then we have rectangle, then we have a parallelogram, then we have rhombus, we have kite, and then we have trapezium. Okay, now there are two kinds of trapezium. One is regular one, and the second one we are having is a isosceles trapezium. Okay, so we'll see both of them, what are they and what are their properties. Now next, first one we have with us is a square. Okay, so square is a very basic one. So what are the properties? This is a square. Now what are the properties of a square? Okay, how you can justify it's a square. So in a square, what properties you should be looking at? Okay, so the first thing is all sides of this square will be equal. Okay, now suppose this side is 4, so this will also be 4, this will be 4, this will be so every side will be of equal length. Okay, this is the first property. Second, all angles will be of 90 degree. Okay, so this is also 90, this is also 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. So all the sides will be of 90 degree. Second, diagonals will be equal. So now what are the diagonals? The opposite vertex, you just join them and it becomes the diagonal. So diagonals are equal. So only two diagonals you can make in a square. So both these diagonals will be of equal length. Okay. And then next we are having diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So they both bisect they both bisect each other at the 90-degree angle. So wherever they are meeting, they make a 90-degree angle. And the next one, diagonals bisect angles. Okay, they bisect the angles. Now what do you mean by they bisect the angles? Now here you can see it's a 90 degree. Now I have drew a diagonal over here, so this 90 degree will get split. So it will be, this side will be 45, this side will be 45. So this is the meaning of diagonals bisect angles. Okay, now let's move towards the next quadrilateral, and then the next one we have is a rectangle with us. So this is a rectangle we have with us. Now we'll see one by one what are the properties of it. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this is a opposite one. Now what is opposite? The one which facing each other. So this side is equal and these two sides will be equal. Okay, this and this will be equal, this and this will be equal. Okay, they will be of same length. All the angles of 90 degree, as you can see, this is 90, this will be 90, this will be 90, this will be 90. So all the four angles will be of 90 degree. Then diagonals will be equal. It is same as square. So if you will draw a diagonal over here from here to here, sorry for the diagram. Let me just make it proper again. This is first diagonal and this is second diagonal. Okay, so diagonals will be equal, they will be of same length. and diagonals bisect each other. They bisect each other, they cross each other, and they make a 90-degree angle. Okay. Now next we have with us is a parallelogram. Now parallelogram and rectangle, they both look like same, if you will see, but there is a difference in both of them. Okay, now in rectangle you will have all the angles will be of 90-degree, whereas in parallelogram not if all the angles are of not 90-degree, and it is a little tilted one. As you can see, it is a little tilted one. Okay, so let's see, that's why the students get confused between the rectangle and the diagonal, a parallelogram. Okay, so opposite sides parallel and equal. So one property is same, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So opposite sides, this will be equal, this and this will be equal. Next we have is opposite angles are equal. So this angle and this angle will be same because they are facing each other, they are opposite to each other, and this angle will be same. Next, diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals will bisect each other. Okay. Now next we'll move towards the next one, that is a rhombus. Now rhombus is also same as a square, if you will see. Okay, but again the way rectangle and parallelogram, there is a little difference in them. Same way in a square and a rhombus there is a difference. Okay, so again it's a little bit of, if you will tilt a square a little bit, you will get your rhombus. Okay, and now let's see what are the properties of it. So all the sides are of equal length. Okay, this side, all the sides will be of equal length. Then opposite sides are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. Now this is opposite, so this and this will be same, this and this will be same. Okay, now next see the next one, opposite angles will be equal. So this angle and this angle will be same, and this angle and this angle will be same. Now next we have diagonals bisect each other at 90-degree. So if I will draw a diagonal, so they will meet at 90-degree angle. Okay, and the diagonals bisect angles, and they bisect angles, which means they divide angles into two equal parts. Now let's see the next one with us, that is a kite. So kite, it's like this way, the normal kite we have with us. So let's see. So the properties of kites are two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides will be equal. Okay. Now what are the adjacent sides? The adjacent are the sides which are next to one another. So this and this are next to one another. So these two are of same length, will be of same length, and these two will be of same length. Okay, so that's why they're saying that two pairs of adjacent sides equal. This is one pair and this is the another pair. Now next we have one pair of opposite angle is equal. Now one pair of angle will be equal. Now which one will be equal? So this one will be equal in them. Okay, now next, diagonals intersect each other at 90 degrees. So if I will draw a diagonal like this way from here to here and from here to here, so they will meet at 90-degree angle, and diagonals bisect angles, so they divide the angles into two equal. Now let's see the next one we have with us. It's a trapezium. You can also say trapezoid. So in trapezium, there are two trapezium we have. One is a like a regular one, and one we have with us is a isosceles trapezium. So now in the regular one which you will have, so in that you will not have, all the angles will not be same. Okay, so there are two trapeziums we have. One is isosceles one and one is a normal one. Now trapezoid also you can say. So one pair of parallel side, one side will be parallel. So this two will be parallel. Parallel means what? They are facing, they are going in the same direction. Okay. Equal, there is a difference between equal and parallel. If I'm saying that parallel, so it doesn't mean they are equal. Parallel means they are going in the same direction, they are facing the same direction. Okay. Now isosceles, one more is no angles will be equal. Here I took the different image, but in the normal trapezium all the angles will be of different measurement. Okay, all will be of not same measurement. Now next one, isosceles trapezium. So isosceles trapezium, in isosceles trapezium, one pair of parallel side. Okay, so one pair of parallel side and one pair of equal sides. Okay, so one side will be of same length, equal side, and one pair of parallel side, which means they are going in the same direction, and one pair of equal side, which means this side and this side, this side and this side will have the same measurement. Okay. So yes, now this is the end of the topic. So if you want to have a quick revision of all the different kinds of quadrilaterals, so you can go through with this slide. So you will get all the information in just one um, slide over here. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's learning. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing learning videos, and have a happy learning and have a great day. Thank you so much.